Welcome to Brendan's 4-minute bite-sized learning videos. This is series number 2, and the focus in this series is all about mental health awareness. In episode number 1, you will learn what is mental health, why is there a negative reaction to mental health awareness, how common is mental health, and what are the most common elements of mental health issues. Mental health is becoming probably one of the biggest issues in business today, but it's also affecting people, individuals like you and me, and sometimes it's our family, and sometimes it's our friends, sometimes it can be colleagues. So we need to understand what it's all about. When you talk to people about mental health, a lot of people have a negative reaction because it has negative connotations, but it's something that exists, it's something that we have to understand, and the more we know about it, the more we can help ourselves or other people who need help with it. So I suppose the best place to start is to understand what is mental health. Well, it's a physical illness of the brain that causes disturbances in thinking, behavior, energy, or emotions. So in other words, when we have mental health issues, it does affect how we are and how we act as a person, and we can see that either in ourselves or in other people. So I guess the next question to ask is, how common are mental health issues? Well, prior to the current COVID pandemic, the average number was 1 in every 6 people. That means that 1 in every 6 people you know or you deal with, somebody in that group probably has mental health issues. What's really interesting with the current situation with the pandemic is they believe that the number of people suffering from mental health issues has now gone up to 1 in 3 because so many people are impacted. And when you don't see a solution or you don't see an end to something, that can really play havoc with your mind. So mental health awareness is very important at the moment because it could be affecting you or it could be affecting somebody who's important to you. Right, now that we understand about mental health issues and awareness, we need to understand what they are. Some of them will be familiar with you, maybe some not so much. But the key ones at the moment seem to be stress, fear, anxiety, depression and negativity. We're going to look at all of these over the next few videos, but I want you to look at these and think, okay, fine, are any of these impacting me? And you'll probably find, yes, some of them are. So I guess the next question is, what can we do to help or reduce mental health issues? Well, it's like a puzzle. There are all various parts that come together to help us understand what's going on. And to do that, we need to understand basic psychology. So that's what we're going to look at in the next episode of this series of videos on mental health awareness. So far in this episode, we now understand that mental health issues affect many of us. We know the 5 most important or the most common elements of mental health issues, and we now understand that a minimum of 1 in every 3 people suffer from it. So the more that we learn about it and understand it, I think the better we can help ourselves and other people. In the next episode, episode number 2, which will be out tomorrow, I will be exploring Maslow's hierarchy of needs. You will learn how our needs impact our emotions in both positive and negative ways. And you'll also understand why people are suffering with increased mental health issues as a result. So understanding Maslow will give you a great foundation to understand what's happening. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.